The most important part of the instrument is this mouthpiece. It's got a cup shape inside, and so when you blow into it, you can make a buzz sound and get the lips vibrating to produce the sound that we know and love. As it goes around, we enter the valve casing and these valves here. I remember starting out, probably like many young people, I thought, oh, 3 buttons, how hard could that be? I think I'll play the trumpet. It turns out it's pretty complicated. And the bell's a really important part of the instrument that shapes the sound quite a bit. If you had a trumpet with no bell, it might sound like this. Just kind of dull, not really that interesting. But put a bell on it, and you get a nice big full sound. I'm Andrew Stetson, and this has been a quick note on the trumpet.